Hey guys, I'm Kate, and this is my unboxing and try-on of the KAISA wig that you can find in UWOWO. The wig came in a box which I like very much, so that it came more protected. The wig includes a net as well. The fringe is really dense and the hair is so soft, but not too thick. The internal network of the wig is white and very resistant. The bows have a circular structure that has its own internal hair network and can be placed with a hairband. They are very nice, but you have to be careful when combing them. Hehe! And don't forget to use our friendly hairbrush. Fantastic! I'm happy with how the wig is. I recommend looking at the page of UWOWO and see how many wigs, props and cosplay they have. I hope you like this video. Thank you, UWOWO, and remember to use the code KKEY for a 5% off discount.